Good morning, students. I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. लास्ट टाइम हमने डिस्कस किया था IND एप्लीकेशन, इन्वेस्टिगेशनल ड्रग एप्लीकेशन के बारे में हमने बात करी थी. अब हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे आते हैं NDA एप्लीकेशन. व्हाट इज NDA एप्लीकेशन? न्यू ड्रग एप्लीकेशन. लास्ट टाइम इन्वेस्टिगेशनल की बात करी थी, अभी हम बात करते हैं न्यू ड्रग एप्लीकेशन. So we can move on the introduction of the NDA application. The NDA application is the vehicle through which the sponsors such as biotech and pharmaceutical companies formulate the purpose that the FDA approval a new pharmaceutical for sale and marketing. For decades, the regulation and control of new drug in the United States has been based on the new drug application. Since 1938, every new drug or therapy has been subject of an approved NDA before US commercialization. The documentation required in an NDA is supposed to tell the drug whole story, including what happened during the clinical test and preclinical test. Further, all our tests are evaluated. What the ingredients of the drug are, the result of the animal studies, how the drug behave in the body, and how it is manufactured, processed, and packaged. Definition. What is drug? Drug are the substance intended to be used for in the treatment of the diagnosis, treatment, and mitigation and prevention of any disease or disorder in human being or animals. New drug, drug that has not been declared safe and effective by qualified expert under the condition prescribed, recommended or suggested in the and that may be a new chemical formula or an established drug prescribed for use in new way. Drug, all medicine for internal and external use for the human being and animal. All substances intended to be used for the diagnosis, treatment, and mitigation of the prevention of any disease or disorder in human and animal. Such substance are intended to affect the structure of any function of human body. All substance intended for use as components of a drug, including empty gelatin capsule. Such devices intended for the internal or external use in the diagnosis, treatment, mitigation of the prevention of disease or disorders. Now we come to the new drug. A new drug substance of chemical, biological, or biotechnological origin in bulk or prepared doses form used of diagnosis, treatment, mitigation, or prevention of any disease and disorder of human or animals. New drug application. An application submitted by the manufacturer of a drug to the FDA after clinical trials have been complete for the license to market the drug for the specified. New drug application is the vehicle in the United States through which the sponsor formally proposed that the FDA approved a new abbreviated new drug application, an application for a license to market a generic or a duplicate version of a drug that has already been granted and approved under a full NDA. That is, the drug has already met the statutory standard for safety and effectiveness. Objective of the NDA: whether the drug proposed labeling, package insert is appropriate and what it should contain, whether the drug is safe and effective in its proposed use, and whether the benefit of the drug outweigh the risk, whether the method used in manufacturing the drug and the control used to maintain the drug quality are adequate to preserve the drug identify strength and quality and purity. NDA form. For Form FDA 356H, application to market a new drug, biological or an antibiotic drug for the human use. Form FDA 3397, user fee cover sheet. Form FDA 3331, new drug application field report. Impurity in drug substance required specification for FDA's IND and ANDA drug master file binders. अप्रूवल टाइम की अगर बात करते हैं तो टोटल अप्रूवल ईयर and numbers 1980 12 and 1981 27. This table is applicable for the approval time of the NDA. Average approval time in months and December approval time in this process. So introduction of the NDA and ANDA. NDA and ANDA is the application is sent to FDA for the approval of a new drug and abbreviated generic new drug. When new drug application is submitted is Food and Drug Administration, it must be carefully prepared and comprehensive, readable and well indexed. The guidelines issued by FDA should follow D&C Act. Code of Federal Regulation Title 21 Section 314 21 CFR 314 is provided a brief description for NDA and ANDA. Experiment, it is generally planned 3 years ahead. Requirements for the NDA format requirements: no copies before 1985, 3 copies and now only 2 copies. Archival copies and review copies. Archival copies reference copy of FDA that is retained by the FDA and locate information not contained in review copy. Review copy divided into 5 or 6 sections containing technical and scientific information separately bound. It contains copy of the cover letter, application form, overall summary, index, and specific review section. Assembling the application folder, color folder, example, archival copy, blue, and chemistry section red, and name of the applicant and name of the drug product, NDA number if known, paper size and building. Paper 8.5 and 11 inches and bounded at left side. Use both side and accurate number and pagination. So this is a overall the protocol of the protocol of the NDA. Volume size and identification and packing cotton. Basic requirement: achievable copies contain applications form FDA 356. It contains basic identification information and then index. Summary requirement, labeling and pharmacological classes and foreign marketing history. Drug product composition, doses form, manufacturing specifications, non-clinical pharmacology and toxicology summary, pharmacological study, acute toxicity and multi-dose toxicity studies. Clinical data summary and result. Clinical pharmacology and overview of the clinical studies, controlled clinical studies, uncontrolled clinical studies, other studies and information, safety summary, excellent of exposure, adverse event and clinical laboratory data, overdose drug abuse. Guidance document for the NDA, submitting documentation for the stability, human drug and biologics, format and content of the human pharmacokinetics and bioavailability section of an application. Now we come to the bioavailability summary. NDA technical section requirements: chemistry, manufacturing, drug substance, product, non-clinical pharmacology, human pharmacokinetics and bioavailability section. Microbiology is divided into different parts: mechanism of action, pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, and further all these things. Clinical data section and other NDA requirements: safety updates, sample, 4 samples, method validation. NDA and ANDA requirements: branded name drug, NDA requirements, and generic name drug, ANDA requirements. Chemistry, manufacturing, all or both parameter are same. And NDA classification: new molecular entity, new salt of previous approval drug, new formulation of previously, and new combination of 2 or more drugs. Already marketable drugs are product. Specification of FDA and DMF binder, polyethylene binder, paper binder, form FDA form 2226, FDA form 2675, FDA form 3316, and FDA form 3316A. Color of the form blue, red, and blue. Document NDA archived binder and IND archived binder, drug master file formula and binder. So assembling application for the submission. Archived copy and reviewed copy both are assembled and sent to a FDA. Archive copy and review copy. NDA content. The NDA content have many 15 different sections in the addition to form FDA. NDA content index, summary, chemistry, manufacturing, sampling and labeling, non-clinical pharmacology and toxicology. NDA content, human pharmacokinetics, clinical microbiology, clinical data, safety, update, and statistics. The two transitional block, basic biochemical research and clinical research and knowledge, translation form and translation new knowledge. Drug development is discovered by the new drug discovery, and NDA review, chemistry, clinical and pharmacology. Phases of clinical testing, we have already discussed. Then we come to NDA review process. This is the flow chart of NDA review process. And FDA approval process. FDA approval process will be started fast track approval and priority review and accelerated up. Fast track approval, drug for serious disease and fill an unmet disease, and must be requisited by the drug company and FDA 60 days reviews decision. Accelerated approval, priority review, common technical document. Common technical document is a very important part of the module. Module first is administrative information, quality overall summary, and quality non-clinical studies and clinical studies. The CTD triangle. The CTD triangle is also the very important part of the new drug application. This is the flow chart of the CTD triangle. Difference between the NDA and ANDA, applicable for new drug and applicable for generic drug. जो हमारी NDA होती है वो applicable होती है new drug पे, जो ANDA होता है वो applicable होता है generic drug पे. Money requirement is high, and in ANDA process money requirement is low. 12 to 15 is required in NDA and 1 to 2 years is required in ANDA. Cost of drug is high and cost of drug is less. So this is the complete session. So thank you, students.